Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, I will walk you through the installation of the refrigerator door gasket in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides an airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, blocking of the interior airways, the door to not close completely, or build up moisture on the interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the refrigerator door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old gasket, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to peel the old gasket away from the lining, and then I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver into the seam and start prying it out. And hold the gasket, and I'm going to pull it out. From there, I can use my hand and continue pulling out the gasket. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our new door gasket, and if we turn it around, you will see this ridge that goes around the gasket, and that ridge would be installed right into the groove. And also, before we're gonna install, let's check if the groove is clean, and if it's not, then I use a sponge and a warm soapy water and clean it out. I'm gonna start installation from the two top corners. I'm gonna press it in, and then I'm gonna press the top. Don't rush, and press it hard. You will feel like it goes in. Make sure the corners are completely inserted. Then we go like 4, 5, 6 inches down. Insert the gasket on both sides. And then we're going to move to the bottom corners. So there we are at the bottom of the door. I'm going to put this corner in. We need to stretch the gasket first and insert the corner, and then move to the opposite side, and I can press it in all the way. All right, now I'm going to close the door, and we'll check how the gasket fits. Open the freezer door and look at the cabinet. All right, so looks good. And it looks good. Now we can close the door. Another perfect job. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.